everybody. My name is Colleen McCartney, and I'm going to walk you through how to add additional people into Streak. If you would like this done automatically, just go ahead and comment Zapier and we'll get you the information for that. But this is a great way to add a bulk amount of people at a time. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the Streak CRM importer sheet add-on installed, which if you've done any importing in general, then you've already got it. So then you're going to want to go to start importing, right? So you'll go up to add-ons, come down to Streak CRM importer and select start importing. Now here on the right-hand side, you're going to add your data to sheets. So this is going to help you go bit by bit, each data point at a time, and allow you to map out where you want information to go. So first, you're going to go over here and say next, and then you're going to select the pipeline that you want to import people to, which for me is demo and prospecting, and then you hit next. And now here is where you're going to map out where you want each of these columns in your Google Sheet to go on your Streak pipeline. So for example, actually, let me insert one left. Full box name, then equals some this, then this. So we're just adding that in. Okay, so now what we're going to do is select the data you want to go from your Google Sheet into Streak. So here we're going to select for the name, this is your box name, and we typically will have last name comma first as our box name. And so that's where you want to select the drop down there. Stage, so I would, if you have different stages, make sure you have a column for that. Right now, I have them go to one stage, so I know that they're imported. And then go through line by line and make sure that you're importing the correct data, right? Whether it's addresses, any other data points that you've collected. Now here, you're gonna hit next all the way at the very bottom. And now you're going to choose your contacts column. So you're going to need to choose an email. The given name is the first name. Family name is the last name. Any of these other additional information, and then go next. This part you will skip, organizational columns. And now here, this is the important part. If you are updating contacts and boxes that you've already got in there, then you want to make sure that you are updating existing data. If everybody you're adding is brand new, make sure you always create a new box. If you are adding people to a stage you don't have, then you can click on create missing stages. If you are adding field like tags and whatnot that do not exist, you need to check the checkbox saying create missing field options. And also, if you're having a header row like we have here, right, this whole column, ignore header row. And then come down here and select whether you're updating existing data or creating new data points. Then click next. It's going to check for errors. It will tell you any errors you need to fix, which apparently I have a whole bunch here because this is not a sheet for importing. And then you'll click OK, and it will import all your Streak contacts for you.